If you have to change the system language on your Windows 11, you can do so without reinstalling, and we will show you exactly how to do that in this video. Now for the first method, disable sync for language settings. Do it by opening Settings, click Accounts, select Windows Backup page, choose the Remember My Preferences settings, clear the language preferences and the dictionary option. Next up, change language settings by opening Settings, click Time and Language, choose Language and Region, click Add a Language, search for a new language, select the language, click the next option, then select Set as my Windows Display Language option. After that, click Install and click the Sign Out option. Now once done, sign into the account to start using the new language. For the last method, configure region settings by opening Settings, click on Time and Language, choose Language and Region, then use a country or region, use the regional format setting, click Administrative Language Settings, click Change System Local, select the new system local, then click OK. After that, select the Copy Setting option, choose these options, click OK, then click Restart Now. Now once you completed those steps, the laptop or desktop computer will display the correct region settings. Now that's how to change the system default language for your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.